teaching a different way, तो आपको लगेगा okay, this is the right way, but you yourself are not familiar that what is the right way to start the language, right? So let me make you familiar with some of the tools that we consider in case if you really want to start learning the language right from the basics, or from where you have to start. No doubt, grammar is essential. Why it is essential? We differentiate between language learning and language acquisition. Now, what is language learning and what is language acquisition? Any idea? ठीक है, learn करना, okay, through learning through proper rules. Yeah, proper rules, tenses, okay. Yes, dear, what are you saying?
Learn the basic rules.
Basic rules or something like this. And if we say that language acquisition is implemented on the very young children, like who they haven't developed their language yet, but they learn it from their environment. So acquisition means learning language through environment. Okay. Now if we talk about adults and their language learning, as you people are adults, so what do you think, which methodology is best for you to learn the language? At least a language learner should be adept and they should know that from where they have to start and what is the right way. Because I have seen a lot of students who might have spent 3 to 4 months in any academy, but unfortunately they couldn't develop their language. What's the reason? The reason is this, that they are not familiar with the right way of language learning, that what is their need. So we say, do you think that language acquisition is enough for adults learning from the environment?